The Dewalt 20-volt max chainsaw has a brushless motor delivering powerful performance. The 20-volt max 5 amp-hour battery delivers extended runtime of up to 90 cuts per charge on a 4x4. The chainsaw is compact and lightweight, with a 12-inch bar and chain for ease of use and handling in smaller cutting applications. The low kickback Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. With no gas to operate, it starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws, and it can be used indoors or out.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 2400-watt motor and a 40-centimeter guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about petrol. This saw starts instantly, with no pull cords, warm-up, or petrol mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 5.7 kilogram saw is well balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw from Oregon. The only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Introducing the 40-volt lithium-ion battery-powered chainsaw from GreenWorks. Featuring a 12-inch bar and chain, toolless chain tensioning with a quick adjust knob, auto oiler with viewing window, and cushion overmold handles and grips for operator comfort. This saw is perfect for those backyard jobs. Powered by GreenWorks 40-volt lithium-ion battery, the chainsaw can run for up to 60 minutes on a single charge.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus chainsaw is a powerhouse, delivering up to 100 hassle-free cuts per charge. It's equipped with a 14-inch bar and chain, giving you the ability to cut more than 1 foot thick wood. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and a brushless motor give this chainsaw all the power you need to fell, limb, and chop up trees. Tension the chain and oil the blade with ease. For added safety, a chain brake shuts off the saw immediately. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools so you never have to stop what you are doing. Now you can make firewood and not just a bunch of noise. A chainsaw that is ready whenever you need it. All bite without the bark. Part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
Get gas performance without the hassles. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT brushless chainsaw. It's powered by 2 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and 0 emissions. The chainsaw has a Makita-built outer rotor brushless motor direct drive system that provides high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. It has a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. Other features include a built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function, which automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life.
In this video, I'll demonstrate the starting procedures after your saw has been running and the engine is warm. This is commonly called a hot start. Move the front handguard forward to engage the chain brake. Pull the choke out completely. Push the air purge 6 times, then push the choke in completely. Using your left hand, hold the body of the chainsaw on the ground and put your right foot through the rear handle. Pull the starter rope handle slowly with your right hand until you feel some resistance, and then pull the starter rope hard. Keep pulling the starter rope until the engine starts. Caution: do not pull the starter rope until it stops or let go of the starter rope when it is fully extended. Instead, make sure you always release the starter rope slowly. If you don't follow these instructions, it can damage the engine. Hold the rear handle with your right hand and the front handle with your left hand. Then immediately pull the front handguard back toward the front handle to disengage the chain brake. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then the chain will move. To set the normal idle, pull the throttle trigger lightly.
The timbers are 8 inches wide by 13, 14 inches tall. The Milwaukee chainsaw with a 16-inch blade. It had plenty of power.
I definitely did not expect it to work like it does.
We cut everything from our power poles to we've cut oak trees down now with it, and goes right through perfectly. It never bogs down. It actually performs better we think than the gas ones do.
The Milwaukee chainsaw lets me cut any kind of hardwood, any diameter that I run up against. It cuts faster than a gas.
The Milwaukee chainsaw cut really fast, really swift through the big timbers that we're using on this job site.
The M18 fuel chainsaw far exceeds anything we've ever used. The long run time, the torque, it performs well above what we possibly could have expected.
I was impressed with the 12.0 battery. Charges quick, lasts a long time, and kept the power.
The 12.0 batteries cut through all day long without slowing down or anything.
The battery life on that Milwaukee saw was phenomenal.
It's quiet too. Everybody can talk while we're working, keep the fumes down. It was everything we needed.
If I had a choice between a gas-powered and the Milwaukee chainsaw, I would take the Milwaukee chainsaw.